Hey everyone. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to join a Discord server. Let's dive in. To join a private server on Discord, the first step is to locate the plus sign on the left sidebar of the Discord app. It says Add a Server. Click that. Now, you'll see an option that says Join a Server. Click that option. Here, you need to enter an invite link, which looks something like this. Whoever is inviting you should provide you with this link. If they haven't sent it to you yet, here's how they can find it. They just need to go to their server, click the drop-down menu next to the server name, and select Invite People. Here, they can copy the invite link and send it to you. So, if they haven't sent you the invite link, you can share this video with them to help them out. Now, let's talk about joining public servers. On the Discord, find the Explore Public Servers option. Click on it. Type in whatever server you're looking for. After typing, hit the enter. Once you find it in the search results, click on it. You'll usually need to read the server rules first, but right at the top of each server page, there's a Join Server button. Click that, and you're in. And there you have it. Once you've joined a server, it will appear on the left sidebar along with any other servers you're a part of. You can click on them anytime to jump inside, read messages, chat, and even invite your friends using the invite link feature. I hope you found this quick tutorial useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.